After we connect our monitor, we come to the browser interface. Search for the official website View3D. Click to enter the official website. After entering, then click on Support. You can find on this interface. You can download our compatible software. Find what you need and click to download. We have downloaded it here. Now install it in order. After installation, first open 3D Spatial Gateway for device authentication. If the green sign doesn't show up, you can try to restart the software or restart the computer. When you see the green sign, it means the device authentication is completed. Then you can open the other two software. Note that the certification may be slightly slow sometimes. If you restart the software or restart the computer, and it still shows that it is not certified. This is the software interface for video and image 2D to 3D. The shortcuts are all marked on it.